Good morning, y'all. It is cruise day, and today I'm boarding the MSC Divina. I'm here in Terminal AA at PortMiami, and getting here was a journey like I've never had before. Today is also the Miami Marathon, so all the roads in downtown Miami were closed, and to get from my hotel to the terminal here, which is less than 2 miles, was nearly 90 minutes. I made it through, and you can see here, this is the roped off section here. In fact, I think that's the Yacht Club director, but this is the beautiful Terminal AA. Opened last April. This is the largest cruise terminal in the world. I'm here just waiting for our escort out of the ship. You can see announcements above, so I'm gonna hopefully be on the ship soon, but I can't wait, guys. As always, if you're ready, I am. Let's go. We are making our way up the gangway, and we are moments away from stepping on board this beautiful ship. I love stepping on board a new ship for the first time. I hadn't even been on this classic ship, so I'm really excited about this. Here we go. Da, 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 da. All right, we made it. Good morning, good morning. Here we are. All right.
Hi guys, welcome aboard.
We're on our way, making our way to what I believe is the Go by our muster station, and then probably head to the Topsail Lounge. There goes the D assembly station. That's us. Got it.
Yeah, all good.
Thank you. Here we are, y'all. The Topsail Lounge.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Welcome aboard.
Definitely reminiscent of the Mirabilia. Not the same at all, but very reminiscent. Let's see what kind of stuff they have over here. Arancini. Got some dried fruits and nuts, raspberry panna cotta, cheesecake, all sorts of different desserts. Salty sort of snack. Got some mozzarella, tomatoes, and olives, and some peppers, dressing. Most importantly, there is the lounge bar here. So this is definitely a more classic space. We're just waiting on our rooms to get ready. So I'm gonna grab myself a bite, grab myself a drink, and then drop my bags in the room. The room is ready. Thank you, thank you. Just making our way out of the Topsail Lounge. Thank you. On the way to the room. If I remember right, I don't think my room is far from the Topsail Lounge. Just got to the cabin, and this is room 15008. In the Yacht Club on this ship, you don't have the wristband, so instead you're gonna slide your card in there. And as you enter the space, first thing you're gonna see is a nice queen-size bed that'll separate into two twins, and across from that, a gigantic mirror right across from the bed. Got some artwork there. Got another big mirror here. Hey guys. And then below the mirror, you've got a nice desk space here. All the sort of information you need to get your TV remote, all the sort of information about the ship and your mini bar setup and whatnot. A small television there. That's the only TV in the room. I don't really care. I won't turn on the whole week, but that's what it is. Got a nice sofa here that'll pull out into a sofa bed if you've got more in the room. And then you walk out here, you've got the balcony. This is a fairly small balcony. A lot of times the Yacht Club, you get some decent sized balconies. This one, not as much, but honestly, I don't spend much time out here anyway, so I don't care. One thing they do have in here that you don't have in the YC ones on other ships is you've got a full walk-in closet. Now it's a little bit tight, so I'll try to give you guys a decent look at this, but you can see tons of drawers. Got a nice size mini safe here. Then across from that, you've got more closet space. And then you've got your bathroom. It's gonna be tight in here to show you guys good camera angles, but you can see here, you've got a single sink, big vanity mirror, some shelf space over there. Got a nice makeup mirror here, toilet, of course. And then the shower is actually a bathtub shower combination with another huge mirror. So guys, again, this is room 15008. This is a Yacht Club Deluxe Suite, aka a YC1. This is your basic, no frills entry point to the Yacht Club. It's gonna be a great week. This is my home for the next 7 days. As always, y'all, if you're ready, I am. Let's go. All right, y'all, here we are. This is the Calumet Buffet. So I don't know what that means. I'm sure in Italian, that probably means something. I don't really like buffets on cruise ships, period. I really don't like them on Embarkation. You guys are about to find out why. All right, so let's see what we got here. I'll try to show you what I can. Got some fruit, okay? I mean, look at how long these lines are. Grill options, French fries, hot dogs, caramelized onions, bacon, tater tots, French fries. You see they've got like random bar seats, kind of like right in the middle. Here is the bar here. You can get yourself a soda, get yourself a cocktail, whatever it is you want here. Oh, this is where they make that pizza. Now, MSC does have great pizza. Yeah, you can smell it. It smells good. Look at that. Got some margarita pizza, pepperoni pizza. Over there, you got some Chicago deep dish style. Some different pastas here. Cottage pie, interesting. Pasta carbonara with bacon. Fried pork chops. Vegetable ratatouille. Ooh, there's that carving station. Now look at that. Looks like got some good looking roast beef right there. Beverage station, if you don't want to like soda or something, like, get yourself some coffee, some water, some tea. Some nachos over here, some rice, some cheese, queso. Welcome on board MSC Divina with today's date. Let's see what they have for the kids here. Chicken nuggets, I would call this chicken tenders. Meatballs, mashed potatoes, pasta with cheese, aka macaroni and cheese, hot dogs, french fries, and sauteed broccoli. If you can get your kids to eat sauteed broccoli, you're better than me. My kids, not a chance. Embarkation Day is basically just it's a test of how many people can you surround yourself with without breaking. I'm getting close to my breaking point. Not really, but gosh, I do not like the buffet in Embarkation Day. I'll show you guys some of the seating spaces here. You can see, find an open seat, y'all. I love playing that game. Goodness gracious, y'all. This is nuts. I made it through. Now I can get the heck out of here and go somewhere with less people. Here we go. Well, we're not officially underway yet, but look who is, y'all. I don't know exactly what ship that is. It's obviously Royal Caribbean, but they're on their way and we're probably not far behind them. All right, there goes the Explorer 2, our sister ship. It's funny how small that ship looks compared to the Symphony that just passed by. You can see it there in the distance. A beautiful infinity pool down below right there at the aft. Here is the Celebrity Beyond. One of those beautiful Edge class ships, number 2 in the class. Some beautiful views. Here's we're sailing away. Gorgeous views. Right off the aft of the ship. Goodbye, Miami. See you in a week. Dinner night 1. Here at the Black Crab. This is the main dining room at the aft of deck. Oh, it's not even the aft. It's the mid of deck 5. Kicking things off here. Got some shrimp cocktail. Let's see how it is. It's what I like. It's just plain, not breaded, nothing fancy going on here. Just good cocktail sauce, good shrimp. I'm happy. So I'm not gonna sure I'm gonna call it yummy because it's nothing special, but it's exactly what I like. So that's a very good. Tonight, it's prime rib night. I love prime rib. So I'll say they put like a thick kind of gravy, not like a regular au jus. It's like more of a, it's a little bit heavier of a gravy than you expect on a prime rib, but I'm sure it's not gonna mess it up or anything. So here we go. See, nice prime or a nice medium rare. Looks good. Tender, good juice to it. I don't love the au jus that they use. It's too thick. It's basically a gravy. So I'm gonna go with very good. Without that, if that just regular au jus, it might be yummy, but it is really good. I love a good prime rib, and this is good cut of meat. Time for the sweetest course of them all. This is dessert. I got the New York cheesecake with a little bit of strawberry with it. So I'm curious to see. Kenzie and I at Butcher's Cut last week on the Road America had one of the best cheesecakes we've ever had at Butcher's Cut. This is a different ship in a different restaurant, but will it be just as good? Well, let's find out. I'm not gonna go as far as saying it was as good as was at Butcher's Cut, but I've had a lot of different cheesecakes. This one's honestly really nice, so I'm gonna go with very good on this, and I will enjoy it. Dinner number 1 is in the books, and it was really good. The prime rib was tasty. The cheesecake was chef's kiss. Honestly, the service was fantastic. So, team here at the Black Crab restaurant did a great job. Had some beautiful window views as we made our way out of PortMiami, and we're very, very happy. So now, to enjoy the rest of the evening here aboard the MSC Divina. So I'm down here on deck 5, kind of the main atrium space. I was like, what is this long line? Is this a show I need to go see? No, can you see what that sign says? Confiscated luggage entrance. That's for the people that got sent to the naughty room for trying to bring something on board you're not supposed to. Tisk tisk, folks. Look at this beautiful space. Chromed out, accented out. This is nice. You guys, it is nearly midnight. I'm trying to sleep in. Oh, can you hear this music? I don't know if that's coming through, but my gosh, the lounge music. I've stayed in a lot of yacht clubs. I've stayed in a lot of different ships, different cruise lines. It's like I've got a live concert in my cabin. Crazy. Don't know how I'm going to sleep at night with it like this, but almost midnight. Come on, MSC. Get it together, y'all. Good morning, y'all. It is day 2, and right now we're making our way to Ocean Cay. Am I going to get off the ship today? I don't know. I'm really looking forward to the next 6 days here on the MSC Divina. This is a unique ship, and there's so much more to see. So, if you're ready, I am. Let's go. It's been a busy morning. It's only about 9:30, so the whole day is still ahead of us, but I've been up since 4:30, but I'm almost done to my tour footage. But, guys, I'm taking a moment up here on deck 15 at the aft of the ship to look out at Ocean Cay. I haven't decided if I'm going to get off the ship yet today or not. I may just work all day, but this little area over here, this is going to be called Little Cay. This is going to be an area exclusively for Yacht Club and Explorer Journeys guests. All right, it's time for lunch, and I'm up here on the Yacht Club pool deck for the first time. So, as you guys are seeing this, I am seeing this for the first time. We're in Ocean Cay, so everybody else is on the island. Yacht Club restaurant is not open for lunch, but you know what is open? The buffet. Look at this big bar here. Got a basic buffet, nothing crazy, but it'll do the job. Let's see what we got. Ooh, pork loin steak. That'll definitely do the job. Got some desserts, cold cut options, grill, burger, steaks. I mean, this is plenty. I'm very happy with this. I'm gonna grab something to eat, then get back to work. But for now, this looks so good. I'm excited. Here we go. Here in Ocean Cay, you've got very limited options because the crew is all on the island helping. So basically, your options for lunch are the main buffet or the Yacht Club buffet. So I just ran up here to this. So it's basic, but got some good options. Got a pork loin, nice steak, some white rice, a little bit of cold cut meat. Start with the pork because that was kind of their special. Look how thick that is. That looks great. That's phenomenal. And then you got some steak. As basic as it is, that pork is phenomenal. Pork sometimes can just be too dry, but that is so good. So this is yummy. I'm gonna really enjoy this. And then enjoy the rest of the day here on the ship. It's time for the show. I decided I missed the show yesterday. I'll go to this one. This is Magic and Illusion Fantasy Love. Not gonna lie, I've seen so many cruise ship magicians that they all kind of are just the same at this point. But here we are, the Pantheon Theater. Welcome. Muy buenas noches. Magician was, I've seen so many of them. I've seen all the tricks he's done, but I still enjoy the show. So now, don't know what I'm gonna get into, but I'm gonna enjoy the ship. Last night I was tired. Tonight I'm trying to do a better job of enjoying what's here. I can't wait.